Ayan. Sino kaya yung apat na yon, no? Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Kung naiinip, sayang ang oras, pwede pong umalis. Hindi po kayo required manood. Siyempre, alam ko, nakununood yung mga kaibigan ko dyan. Ayan. Wow! Umaabot na sa 1 million. Hindi, joke lang. Okay. So, pasensya na po kasi hindi natuloy yung ating gift-giving raffle yesterday. Pero since 24 naman ngayon, ngayon natin gawin. Okay? Ngayon natin gawin. Tabingi po yung aking damit. Lalong tumabingi. Ano ba to? Ayan. So, Himo Him is our flagship product. Ayan. So, yung mga gusto magregalo sa akin, kahit Himo Him ang ibigay nyo sa akin, okay lang. Tatanggapin ko pa rin. Carol, if you're watching, di mo pa napadala yung ano, yung napanalunan mo last time. Kasi baka manalo ka na naman. Ayan. May nag-drop na, naalis na, nabwisit na. Okay, so Tuesday Atomy, ano bang topic natin supposedly today? I-share ko lang yung ano, I'll do the, sandali, sanggutin ko lang si DMSS. Ayan, so thank you po sa mga nanonood. Totoong wala pong Zoom, okay? But if you guys wanna join Zoom, you know the link. Okay, just a recap for this last week sa mga nakamiss ng ating success system. We had a meeting with the North Carolina Global Center and diniscuss yung lahat ng changes sa Atomy America. So if you guys have members ng Atomy America, of course, may mga changes na mangyayari. Between consumer and distributor, they have now the option, or we have now the option, na maging consumer lang if you want to be a consumer, or you can be a distributor or business owner if you want to do the business. So anong difference? Syempre yung ano, yung commission or yung cashback. Pero parehong libre. So since you are using the products, I will still recommend for you to register as a business kasi pareho lang naman. So, mag-business na lang, okay? And then, we had the Tuesday meeting last week. Ako nga calendar ko, baka kung ano na namang araw ang pinagsasabi ni DM Raylan. Hmm, no, wala tayong meeting. Wala tayong meeting this Sunday. See, nalito na naman. I mean, last week na recap, not this week. Okay, last week na recap. We had that meeting with the North Carolina Global Center. Then we had the Tuesday Atomy Wellness Wednesday of the Marinduque Global. Go 100, of course, na Go 100 tayo. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ko ano ang Go 100, ayan, alamin na. Napakaganda ng Go 100. And then, of course, every Saturday we have the Vision to Reality. Ayan. Sa mga nanood ng replay na post ni Engineer Dennis, kung nanood kayo, unang tanong, anong product? O, yung sa mga sponsor, bawal sumagot na nag-attend ng Zoom. Sa mga hindi sa mga hindi nag-attend ng Vision to Reality, anong product ang galing sa Thailand? Anong GGSS? Hindi, gandang-ganda sa sarili yan. Wala. GSGS, Global Sourcing, Global Sales, Product from Thailand. Yan yung tanong. Okay. So yan, tingnan ko nga kung sino makasagot. Nakikita mo. Paano mo ba makita yung comments? O, yan yung tanong ha. Ayan. Greetings! Merry Christmas, DM Judy! Hi, Carol. Ayan. O, tamo. Philippines, Pink and Atomy. O, sige. O, DM Junie, nagbasa ka ba? Ayan. O, sumali ka rin. You can join if you want. Para fair. Kaya alam may mga nagsabi na nasa church sila, sayang. Pero okay lang, wala naman kayo masyadong mamimiss. Si DM Raylan pa rin to. Okay? And then last Saturday, gusto ko lang i-share kasi napakaganda ng Vision to Reality. Sayang hindi recorded kasi si DM says ayaw niyang nire-record. Pero sana ni-record niya. Oo. Ako din na-miss ko rin na bakit hindi na-record. Pero nag-notes ako since baka makalimutan ko. I-share ko na ngayon kasi magha-holiday, kakain tayo, tapos New Year, tapos baka next year na tayo magkita. Tinatanong ako ni Star Master Teresa kung may meeting ba sa next Tuesday. Eh, 31st na naman yon. What do you think? Pag-meeting ba tayo ng Tuesday? Ayan. Kung wala naman, magla-live na naman ako. Malamang. Okay. Ang topic ni DM says at that time is about empowerment. So, hindi ko alam kung nakuha ko lahat. Pero yung nahagap or nailista ko sa aking notebook. Ano ba yon? Tingnan ko nga. Wala. Wala daw meeting, sabi ni DM Juni. Next Tuesday, wala pong meeting, walang Zoom meeting. Very good. Okay. Empowerment yung pinaka-topic ni DM says at that time. Maganda kasi, paano ko ba explain yun? English eh. So, kailangan ko Tagalogin. Or Englishin. Or Taglish ko. Di ba? Kakainom ko lang ng himuhim. It usually take less than 30 minutes before my post-nasal drip dry down. Okay. May raffle tayo ngayon ha. Lalo na kung ikaw ay mag-invite at mag-tag ng more than 5 people and then sabay-sabay kayo nanonood yan. Kasaling-kasali kayo. Okay? Doon sa mga nag-purchase ng products from December 1 hanggang ngayon, ayan, kasali kayo sa raffle today. And then of course, sa mga nanonood sa live at nag stay sa live at nagtsatsagang makinig kay DM Raylan, of course, kasali rin kayo. Okay. About dun sa topic ni DM Says, tingnan ko nga aking cheat sheet. DM Says, explain mo nga. Hi, Nanay Vicky! Yan. DM Says is watching. Okay. Okay. It includes yung sa empowerment, i-include yung self-awareness, and then it would help. Tama ba explanation ko? Ang intindi ko, half ano ako yun, half nakikinig, half hindi. Pero ito yung interpretation ko dun sa narinig ko, ha? Kapag ka self-aware ka daw, it would unlock your strength. Kung may self-awareness ka, it would unlock your strength. Yun lang yung sa summary. Sana nakinig talaga kayo. Kasi, tamo, ilang araw lang ang lumipas, medyo nakalimutan ko na. Okay. And then yung self-confidence na bibuild kapag ka sa simula naniwala ka sa sarili mo. And then dun sa atin sa Zoom, 'di ba? Kapag lagi ka nag-a-attend, lagi mong naririnig. Of course, matututunan at matututunan mo. 'Yun ang maganda kay Atomy. Kasi kahit hindi mo siya masyadong alam, pag lagi ka naka-plug in sa system, and then you believe in yourself na kaya mo, of course, kaya mo. And then we have the resources. Yun yung napakaganda kasi nga 100% lahat ng resources na kay Atomy na. Parang ready na talaga siya as a business. Even not just as a business. We have the resources online, offline, lahat na sa mga centers. So kung taga Pilipinas po, I do encourage you to truly find or really find a center na malapit sa inyo. Kasi matitake advantage nyo yung free shipping. Aside from that, mabibuild nyo yung community nyo. And then, mas madali nang mag-invite. Parang invite mo lang yung prospect mo, dadalhin mo sa center. Ayan, magpi-free facial na kayo, makikinig ng training, matutunan nyo na kung paano mag-commission, paano mag-go 100. Ayan. Dagdag ko na yon, hindi yun kasama sa diniscuss last time. But ang Atomy is a tool. We have the products, we have brochures, then we have the success system. I think sa mga nagiging successful and those who are considering to do this as a business, if you find Atomy as a tool, even just the website, you can actually learn a lot of things from the website. Yan yung pinakaunang tool. Pero number one tool siguro na masasabi ko para sa lahat ng Atomian is yung life scenario. So, kung hindi nyo pa sinusulat yung life scenario nyo, ayan, lalo na sa magki-Christmas, mag-New Year, mga ano, mag-New Year, New Year's resolution na naman. Ayan, isulat nyo. Okay? And then yung participation would help you to be empowered. Kasi kapag nagpa-participate ka, ano ba yung nabasa or narinig ko ng isang ano? If you surround yourself kung sino yung first five mo or top five mo sa buhay mo, you actually will become like them. So if you surround yourself with the successful people, let's say, in a daily basis for the next 30 days, ang pinapakinggan mo lang is an imperial master. Eventually, you'll become an imperial master. So if you listen to the chairman, sino ba dapat ang top five mo? I guess, God, unang-una, 'di ba? Chairman Hangil Park, I guess. And then another Imperial Master, kung sino pa. So, sino makaka-inspire sa'yo para at least yung top five mo as maging kagaya mo sila. Sinong gusto mo? Siyempre, yung ano, yung mga pinaniniwalaan mo. So, if si DM Raylan nasa bottom ng list mo, okay lang yan. So, just make sure you plug into the system na mas magiging successful kayo. So, take action, participate, and then it would help us in challenges. So, decision making, consultation is a key. So, inisip ko lang kasi nung yung first 2 years ko, mas active pa ako actually. Hi, Ma'am Marian Fortu. Merry Christmas po. Ayan. Compared talaga nung 2021-22, mas active ako in doing 8 core on a daily basis kumpara this year. Kasi feeling ko ang dami kong absent sa 8 core. As in, hindi ko sinusulat. Kung dati nakaka 8 notebook ako on a hindi on a daily basis. In a year, this time parang dalawa lang notebook ang nagamit ko. So make sure merong notebook para sa consumer, sa lectures, and then lastly is yung sa um, 8 core. Ayan. And then attending the success system with help you set your clear goals as well kasi mas maintindihan mo na siguro. So without setting your clear goal, hindi mo rin alam kung saan ka patutungo, no? Like today, ano bang goal ko today? Today, talaga mag-gift giving raffle lang ako today. Kaya I'm rambling on this note. Okay, pasensya na po. So, we have a very supportive community lalo na sa Atomy kasi lahat ng member ng Atomy we truly wish success for everyone kasi lahat naman pwede maging successful yun din yung vision ng Atomy company to become successful customer success bago pa yung maging number one premier company and then maging global distribution hub. So, di ba, we have 27 regions at this time, 56 countries, over, di ko alam kung ilan na yung pwede mag-register, more than 80, I believe. And then, we have 13 Imperial Masters at this time. Okay? Maligayang Pasko po ulit sa mga kaka-join lang. Make sure you comment your country, your favorite color, at saka kung anong Atomy gift ang gusto nyo ma-receive this Christmas. So, regardless kung member kayo ng Atomy or hindi kayo ng member ng Atomy, you may have a chance to get a prize. Okay. Sa message ni Royal Master Yusuk Song, ano ba nakuha ko sa kanya? Okay. Sabi ni Royal Master Yusuf Song, we are one family. Dun sa Vision to Reality Suma, we are one family. Just open your mind. Sabi niya, ang meaning daw ng pangalan ni Chairman Hangil Park, Hangil, it means one way. Hangul means one way. So, let's go together and let's go to that direction. One way lang. One way to become successful sa Atomy. Okay, but you have to have that open mind. So, napakaganda. As you grow with with Atomy, as you become part of the success system, lumalaki talaga yung pamilya mo sa Atomy. Okay? Yung pamilya mo nagiging global. So, kung dati hindi ka nangangarap na I would like to visit Korea, or I would like to visit Mexico, I would like to visit Italy. Kapag ka nakikita mo na nagkakaroon ka ng mga members, if you truly wanna wish them success, talagang ididream mo rin na sana mapuntahan ko yun. Sana mapuntahan ko yung Bali. Sana matusuportahan ko yung team na to. Okay. At least ako, ganun ang iniisip ko. I wanna travel to that place para mas matulungan ko pa sila. Okay. Tapos sabi niya, go seven step. Okay, ano yung seven step? Go seven step. Di ba may eight steps to success? Pero go seven steps to success. Kasi nga, seven lang yung levels of mastership. We have the Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and Imperial Master. And she emphasized that this is a teamwork business. So for us, we have to reorganize, hold hand with the business people. So kapag may nakita kayo na may potential talagang gustong gawin na business, tutukan nyo. Lalo na yung mga gustong-gusto or love yung products. They're spending money to buy the products, to use the products. And then, if they wanna receive cashback, yan, tulungan natin. If you are not in the system, that means you're not attending a Zoom, you're not consulting with a sponsor na naka-plug in sa Zoom, you're not attending one-day seminar, you're not attending Success Academy, wala man lang effort, that means you are not doing the business. So for me, as your sponsor, at least you should be at least consulting me. Kung hindi man ako, at least consult other sponsors above me like DM Says, Star Master Teresa, Royal Master Yusuk Song, Crown Master Jason Shim. Yan, okay? Or yung mga sponsor na talaga naka-plug in sa system. Bakit ko sinasabi yun? And I would like to highlight that. Kasi nung nagsisimula ako, I have a sponsor. And since he's not doing it as a business, and since he's not attending the Zoom meeting like what we have in the Household Gold Global last time, and then he's not attending one-day seminar, hindi ko rin alam yung information or how to do the business or how to do the binary. So, kaya kapag limited yung information or hindi ka nakinig dun sa mga talagang naka-experience nung sistema, you're bound to have that failure kasi nga hindi naman nila na-experience eh. So, yung mga successful na, yung pinagdaanan na nila, yung mga pagkakamali, mga challenges, yan, makinig tayo sa kanila kasi ang ituturo na nila sa atin is yung tama. Okay. How to manage the structure? Of course, set a goal. Lagi magsiset ng goal. Even as a team, I think we have to set a goal. Kung sinasabi dati na we have to challenge at least every 6 months. At least team challenge. Kaya lang, ang tanong, will you wait for a challenge from the sponsors higher than you, or you can challenge from you pababa sa team mo? So ano ba dapat? Siyempre kapag ka may team challenge and then I'm asked to challenge with the team, kapag kaya ko and ready ako, I'll join. Pero nung first Diamond Mastership challenge ko, I wasn't ready at that time, but I challenged. Kasi nasa ano lang yun pag drawing ng lineage eh. Kasi ang atomy, once you learn the correct structure, yung correct binary mo, kung tama yung drawing nyo na talagang pababa lang, it's easy to challenge. Yan, very easy to challenge kasi same effort lang naman talaga. So kung kahit yung bago nagsisimula, kahit nasa dulong-dulo ka, kapag gusto mong kumita kay Atomy, just stay in the system and then mag-plug in and then work with that sponsor kasi kung 100% effort ka dati kapag may isang sponsor ka above you, that's 100% effort and 50% na lang and then another sponsor or another business partner under you, pababa na ng pababa. So, konti na lang yung effort kung talagang tulungan, ha? Kung tama yung binary. Kung hindi tama yung binary, medyo mahirap. So, kung hindi pa naiintindihan, mag-attend uli ng Zoom, okay? Or magpa one-on-one. Okay. Next message is um, DM Sunny Fincher message. I'm surprised na kahit he's not presenting, actually yung message niya at that time is the clearest. Kasi all of us, as dreaming to own a business, lalo na yung mga nag-aaral, 'di ba? Or gusto makatapos na eventually, yeah, gusto ko magkaroon ng business. Yan, yun yung sinasabi. And then he said, if you want to own the business, how much investment will you put in for that particular business? How much time would you invest para iput yun, 'di ba? Para itayo, para gawin yung marketing. And then how would you start that business? So, it would strike you na we have this free business, yung Atomy, pero hindi pa rin tinatanggap ng iba, diba? But Atomy gives us everything that you need. Kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, we have the resources, lahat na. This is a no-brainer business. You own your own business. So napakaganda ng Atomy, libreng binigay sa ni sponsor. Free ang registration, walang monthly quota, walang lahat lahat na binigay na ni Atomy. Pero hindi pa rin ginagawa ng iba, no? Kaya we are so lucky and I'm so grateful to find Atomy kasi may business na tayo. So, don't give up sa iba na hindi pa nakukuha ang kiliti kung paano kumita kay Atomy. Don't give up. Sabi ni DM Sunny, suck it up, move forward. Ayan. Gustong gusto ko yon. Okay. Message ni Star Master Teresa. Ayan. Sabi niya, Atomy has a 100% success system. Okay? Sa mga naniniwala na this Atomy has a 100% success system, yes, it has 100% success system. Okay? Pero hindi lahat magiging successful kay Atomy kasi yung iba nagda-doubt, hindi na nga naniniwala. Yan. Stay in the system. Make sure you set your goal for 2025 and hopefully let's all level up for 2025. So yan ang message ni Star Master Teresa. Also for January 1 to January 15, an extra 500,000 Korean won will be given to those who would for Atomy America members, to those who would challenge for sales master at saka mag-maintain or maging auto sales master. So, ibig sabihin, if you challenge and you become a new sales master, you get that extra 500,000 Korean won. So, parang nadoble yung mastership bonus. And then we'll have for Atomy USA, Atomy America, you just need to become a Diamond Master para maka-join kayo sa Korea Success Tour. Okay. Sa Philippines, I think if you're newly promoted as a Diamond Master, you can join the Korea Success Tour as well. So kung hindi naman, you need to challenge at least during the period na pinipresent nila, you need to be a sales master 5 times. Okay. And last year we failed to promote a new ASM. So hopefully this coming year, not last year. Last year si DM says naging auto sales master. I mean, for next year, we have to promote a new auto sales master. Okay. And then, in addition to that, yung semi-sales mastership bonus, i-discuss ulit natin yan in the future, yung kung paano kumita ng 20 to 25,000 pesos in 15 days. So, we can maximize that in 2025. So, for the year 2025, the first 12 months, you can enjoy it unlimited. So, 24 times pwede. But Atomy is very generous. Atomy will give you a chance to kung hindi mo kaya yung 12, in the first 12 months na makakuha ng at least 12 times, the Atomy company will still extend it another year from the first time you receive the semi-sales mastership. So, ang ganda, no? So, kung every month ka lang kumikita ng 25,000 in a 15-day period, extend pa niya. So, may mga criteria yon, but definitely next year, ayan, talagang i-auto semi nyo na or auto sales master nyo na. And then Star Master Joseph said, all of us will succeed together in Atomy. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Then after that, ang dami ko ng mga idea na sinulat on how I'll promote Atomy in the future. Like, during a product expo. Ayan, facial party, you can do breakfast party, tea party, ramen party. You can do a testimony slide. So, i-share ko lang kasi I was invited to do the um, Sambahayang, no, not Sambahayang, sorry, Simbang Gabi, Piyestang Simbang Gabi for the Filipino community. I was working, so I wasn't prepared. And usually, that church sales master Ping normally attend to that church. Siya yung nag-share ng Cafe Arabica doon. But then I went, nagpunta pa rin ako after work. So, hindi ako masyadong ready. Pero, syempre, I presented myself wearing a nice dress. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang ng bolero na Filipiniana. And then, ang task ko lang naman, mamigay ng gift-giving raffle. Of course, Atomy, kasi gift-giving raffle ng Atomy. So, okay lang. So, um, that particular event, syempre, ang hirap naman magbuhat ng mga products. So, konti lang din talaga yung yung bestseller lang natin ang dinala ko. Ang bestseller is Himuhim, Noni, Evening Care 4 set, and then the Absolute Skincare set. Yun lang talaga yung display ko. And then, since very dry yung hands ko, may dala lang akong lotion, and then the um, hand therapy cream yan. So, yung katabi kong table is actually a med spa and wellness. My God, yung cream nila, $121 for glowing the skin. Eh, yung sa atin is $41 lang here in the US. So, but I bet Atomy is still much better. Pero, lessons learned from that particular event is, um, siguro depende sa generation kasi sa mga sa audience kasi merong networking event na QR scanning code is mas madali lang lalo na sa mga teenagers kasi if I do an event yung sa mga college or sa high school mas gusto nila yung nag-i-scan ng QR code. So at that time since madalian ang dala ko is mga QR codes. Syempre wala nag-scan or isa lang yung nag-scan I think. So mas madali pa rin yung you're giving away yung raffle tickets, and then meron kang tambiolo, meron kang registration form where they can write their name, their number, and their email address para at least pwede nyo silang i-follow up. So, parang registration. Okay. At that time, yun ang nakalimutan ko. I have a pen, I have a notebook, pero yung parang registration, wala ako. So, sabi ko next time, if I'll do that, I'll give yung tickets na lang kasi may nabibiling ticket na yung kaparehas, ibibigay mo sa kanila and then you keep the other half, diba? Ayun. Ayan. Pero dun sa mga techie, sa mga kids na gusto yung nag-scan, nagpipindot lang sa cellphone, you can do the QR scanning code. Kasi nga, electronic, nasa yun na lahat yung information, nasa spreadsheet mo na. Kaya lang, not everyone do it or can do it. Parang abala pa. So, yung iba na ayaw ng free gifts, diba? Abala pa. Hi, SM Sandra. Ayan, thank you all for watching. Merong mga nanonood, merong mga umaalis. Ayan. Okidoki. Ayan, ano na? So yun lang yung mga natutunan ko this particular week. And then last night we did the first ever slumber party, pajama party. Ayan, pajama party. Kaya puyat si DM Raylen. Ano bang ginawa namin? Of course, nag-facial kami and then another friend brought the nails. Hindi ko nalagay pa yung nails ko pero hindi part ng Atomy. But, kasi parang ano naman parang kung anong gusto mong gawin. So yung isa gusto mag-line dance, of course, we did the line dance. Yung isa gusto mag-karaoke, of course, we did the karaoke. And then uh, Christmas party, I was originally planning on kasi malamig dito, doing the ramen. Kasi, pero may nagdala ng noodles, so hindi ko na niluto si ramen. But I have the cafe arabica, lahat ng pwedeng i-serve galing sa Atomy. Ayan, yun yung ginagawa or ginamit ko. But it's a successful event kasi if you love the products and you just want to have fun with your friends, Atomy will always give you that feeling kasi napakaganda ng product natin for facial. Okay, sa mga sumali ng 30-day peel off mask challenge, ayan, congratulations Ma'am Cecilia, Ma'am Julia, napaka-consistent nila. I'm doing the challenge Kasi para nga ma-challenge din ako to do it every day. Kaya lang, very busy. So may mga absent ako. But each time I use it, even as a 5 day or 7 day consecutive, you will see the difference of the effect of the evening care forceps. Kahit ako na maganda na yung kutis ko, kasi dati talaga, natatawa si DM Grace kasi sabi ko, naku, 2021, I cannot even promote the beauty products. Kasi at that time, ang dami ko sobrang acne and then pangit. Okay, so first winner. Kunin ko yung aking tambiolo. Maligayang maligayang Pasko po. Ano pong handa nyo ngayong Pasko? Yan, okay. Sa mga sumagot, salamat. I'll announce the winner later kasi alam ko busy kayo sa inyong paghanda sa inyong Noche Buena. First number is number 13. Okay. Isulat ko lang, ha? Para I can go back. Number 13. Natag ka ba as number 13 in the last 2 weeks or last week? Okay, 13. Oh, let's do 13 as the auto-consumer muna. Consumer. Okay. Sinong nakasagot? Anong product ang GSGS ng Thailand? Yan. Anong product ang GSGS ng Thailand? Next number is number 35. Okay, if you kung namili at may resibo, may order number na may number or nag-end ng 35, send me a message. Ending in 35. Transaction number 35. And last number. Wow, pula. Number 17. Ayan, okay, 17. Ayan. So, sino kaya yan? Sa mga nag-join ng mga Real Anatomy Challenge, answering questions, ayan, hanapin natin yan, okay? Sa mga nag-attend ng one-day seminar, Success Academy, sa mga nagpo-post ng pictures, thank you po. At maligayang, maligayang, maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. I hope that each of you will find the blessing from Atomy, and I hope Atomy will be a blessing to you. Ganun din po from the Marinduque Global Center and sampu ng lahat ng leaders ko and ng sponsors. Nagpapasalamat po kaming lahat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Wow, ganun din. Walang tulog si DM Riley. Hindi po, seryoso, maraming maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I will not be here kung wala po kayo kasi if I don't have any members sa Atomy, wala din po ako sa position ko. So, I wish to return this favor to all of you. Sana talaga makapromote ako ng Auto Sales Master. Lahat kayo sana maging Imperial Master. And I will make you Imperial Master. I'm dedicated to make you Imperial Master. So, Merry Christmas po! And congratulations sa mga nanalo. I'll post the names later kasi mauubos yung ating oras. So, enjoy your time with your family. Thank you, everyone. And I love you all. Merry Christmas!